Want to impress your Malaysian friends? Here are 7 cool Malay words you can use. 1. Mantap. It means awesome. Example, Makanan ni mantap. This food is awesome. 2. Padu. Similar to solid or powerful. Example, Lagu ni Padu Gila. This song is so good. 3. Lepak means chill or hang out. Example, Jom lepak kat mamak. Let's chill at the mamak restaurant. 4. Syok. Used when something is really enjoyable. Example, Best Gila, memang Syok. Super fun. 5. Relax. Just like relax in English. Example, Relax lah, jangan stress. Relax, don't stress. 6. Jom means let's go. Example, Jom makan nasi lemak. Let's go eat nasi lemak. 7. Terbaik means the best. Example, Kau memang terbaik. You're the best. Try using these words and your Malaysian friends will be super impressed.